Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to ungroup layers in Illustrator. Let's see. See this layer 1 and layer 2. First of all, see this same layer 2 object. Select, right click, group, and again select it, right click, ungroup, and add just 3 layers. Hold Control, select or not. Go to object group or right click group. Then see this group. Again right click, ungroup or go to object, ungroup and see this single layer. That's it. Press Ctrl Z back. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.